This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Wanting a lake home? This is it. Sharp Ranch home off Pomona Lake. Boat ramp just down the street. Updated home with newer kitchen cabinets, stainless appliances, ceramic tile look floors. Updated bathroom. All furnishings are included. Super low utilities. Electric $100 a month, water $36. Pool, clubhouse and tennis court in Hoa. Walk across street to the lake. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.